Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the screen on your HP 14's dq2000ns can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be a straightforward process. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Start by turning off your laptop and unplugging it from the power source. Ensure that all peripherals are disconnected. Next, carefully remove the back cover of the laptop using your Phillips screwdriver. There are typically several screws to remove, so keep track of their locations. As you work, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation if you feel unsure about the process. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery and disconnect it. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts during the repair. Now, focus on the screen assembly. You'll need to remove the screws holding the screen in place. These are usually located along the edges of the screen frame. If you need assistance or lack the tools, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get professional help. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry the screen away from the frame. This step requires care. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. Once the screen is free, disconnect the video cable from the motherboard. This cable is usually taped down, so you may need to remove the tape carefully. Now, take your new screen and connect the video cable to the motherboard before securing it in place. Make sure it's firmly connected to avoid any display issues later. Reattach the screen to the frame using the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tight and secure, but be cautious not to over-tighten, which can cause damage. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, consider our quote before repair service, which provides a clear understanding of costs before proceeding. Next, reconnect the battery and replace the back cover. Make sure to screw everything back into place. It's essential to ensure that no screws are left over, as this can lead to loose components inside your laptop. Lastly, power on your laptop to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop troubles. And there you have it. With patience and the right approach, replacing your HP 14's dq2000ns screen can be a rewarding DIY project. Remember, if you ever feel stuck, our professional diagnosis and home service options are here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.